Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about a bird that the male and female look completely different. The Indian robin. The Indian robin is a species of passarine bird. A nondescript robin. They are generally seen in pairs foraging on the ground with the tail cocked up. It is widespread in the Indian subcontinent and ranges across Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. Males are primarily black with chestnut bottom feathers. Males also have a white shoulder patch and a relatively long tail. Females have completely brown upperparts, lack the male's white shoulder patch, and have grayish-brown underparts. They are commonly found in open shrub areas and often seen running along the ground or perching on low thorny shrubs and rocks. Their calls are like locally named Indu Kalu kichcha. I have not seen the Indian robin. One such area you can see them is Sigiriya. These are some of the videos of our visit to Uyana, Sigiriya. It is an eco-resort in the middle of a forest with amazing scenery and many birds to spot. It is one of our most favorite places to stay.